Greetings, wonderful young people. Here we are in this strange situation that we're going to make the best of. It's Monday. I'm trying to figure out all this editing, screencasting functions, and it's a challenge for me, but I'm working on it. So that little letter behind me there, hopefully you got a chance to see it already, but just for this week, stay cool, be cool. Number one. Number two, continue to read the book. We'll take those 2 quizzes this coming week to finish it up, and then we'll also move the project due date to at least April 13th. So I hope that helps. And then, second, I just want to encourage you to contact me anytime. You've got my number and you've got my email. I certainly am here to help you. And third, I just can encourage you to focus on the things that you can control, and that's your attitude and your approach to this whole thing. And then eventually to give great effort to this class and to your classwork in general. So it'll be a challenge for all of us, me included, and we're going to get through it. We're going to make this a productive class. So that's my message, and I will see you soon.